I'm building a fueling station for my tractor and wanted to be able to carry diesel fuel in these barrels, and needed a bung wrench to open them, and so just wanted something quick and easy, and so this is what I've made. So let's get into the shop and I'll show you how I made this, and then we'll come out and see how it does. This is a piece of 1/2 by 1/2 steel, solid steel, and I just cut off a random length, and it actually wound up being about 13 inches. And I'm going to cut off, now this part's important, the length, to get the length right. It's 1 7/8 inches. Then we'll cut that off. I got it clamped up in the vise here, and I'm just going to run a bead right across the top. All right, now I want to bend the handle just a little bit right here, kind of bend it up to make it easier so that this isn't sliding right across the top of the barrel. So I'm just going to do that. I'll slide a pipe down over the top of this. And give it just a slight bend like that. Alright, so here's our finished wrench. Let's see how it works. Alright, there you go. I think that's going to work great. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.